Fuel the power. Hey fellow boaters, Keith Holmes here with CK Motorsports up here in the Great Lakes. As the boating season heats up, it's important to know what fuel you should use. 97% of the nation's fuel supply is E10. All boats' engines are warranted for the use of E10 and have been for nearly 2 decades. Ethanol is a high-octane fuel that boasts performance, displaces toxic additives in gasoline. While gas pumps are clearly labeled with ethanol content of the fuel, be sure to pay attention this summer when you're filling up your tank. Higher blends like E15 are not yet approved for marine engines. E10 is a great choice for your environmentally conscious boaters who want power, performance, and value for their fuel. So hey boaters, thanks for listening, and I hope you all have a great Memorial Weekend. Boat on, my friends. Fuel the power.